Here's Please Mr. Postman in the key of A. 1, 2, ready, and oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. Is there a letter in your bag for me? Why is it taking such a long time since I heard from that boyfriend of mine? There must be some word today from my boyfriend so far away. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. Is there a letter for me? I've been standing here waiting, Mr. Postman, so patiently, for just a card and just a letter saying he's returning home to me. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. Oh yeah, there's a letter in your bag for me. Please, Mr. Postman, such a long time, oh yeah, since I heard from that boyfriend of mine. So many days you passed me by, saw the tears standing in my eye. You didn't stop to make me feel better by leaving me a card or a letter, Mr. Postman. Look and see, is there a letter, oh yeah, in your bag for me? You know it's been so long since I heard from that boyfriend of mine. You better wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, you better wait a minute, wait a minute. Please, please, Mr. Postman, please check and see just one more time for me. You better wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh yeah, you better wait a minute, wait a minute. Please, Mr. Postman, deliver the letter, the sooner the better. Better wait a minute, wait a minute. Ooh, yeah. Please, Mr. Postman. Oh, yeah. And on A. Yeah, nice work. One more quick thing. If this video was helpful to you, I encourage you to consider becoming a member. It's a great way to say thank you, to help keep this channel going, and also to enjoy some extra perks and resources on your musical journey. You can learn more by clicking join below next to the subscribe button, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you so much.